My friends, very exciting day today. About 5 weeks ago, I ordered my first set of night vision. I haven't looked through any kind of night vision since about 1996. So the first time I saw some night vision was 1989 in the Marine Corps boot camp. We had a night fire course, and this is what we were using on our M16A2s. It was pretty good. I mean, this is 30 years ago. I don't think I even hit anything that day while we were shooting. I think we were on the 200-yard line, and they basically gave us a magazine of 20, and we just fired downrange, and that was it. After that, once I got to my unit, I was on barracks duty. I got introduced. So this would be the AN PVS-4, and this is the AN PVS-5. We had a couple of these in our unit. I think I tried them out maybe once or twice, but you know, we didn't really use them a lot. I just remember these are the same ones that they had in the Ghostbuster movie. I can't think of the actor, but this is what he wore. And then after I got off active duty and I got to my reserve unit, it was an infantry reserve unit. We had these AN PVS-7s, but I don't think we took them to the field too much. It was a big deal if we were going to check them out. It came in a big case. It was really kind of bulky to carry around. You know, they were kind of anal about it, where you had to bring the hard case out with you. So you would be in the field and you'd be carrying around a suitcase, you know, with this inside of it. I really don't remember looking through these. I probably did maybe once or twice, but it wasn't a standard thing. They probably only gave them to squad leaders or the platoon sergeant at the time. So I got a bug across my ass, and I went to US Night Vision, and I ordered one from them. This is the complete kit. It comes with the helmet, with the AN PVS-14, and the mount. And I also bought a infrared laser from a Steiner. So I just put a cover over all my information here, and I've already opened the box, but I haven't, and I just kind of peeked inside. So I just used a razor blade, opened the box, and I peeked inside. And I said to myself, well, I should probably do an unboxing. I've never done an unboxing before on YouTube or any other social media, so we're gonna give it a whirl, see how it goes. So let me open it up here. Looks like it's packaged pretty well. We got lots of popcorn, or what do you call these? Peanuts. Got lots of peanuts in here, so we'll put that aside. Trying to not get the peanuts all over the floor. So here is something. I don't know what it is. It might be the head, the skull crusher they call it. I think that's what they called it. Alright, we'll put that aside for now. We'll come back to it. And here is my OTAL C. That came with it too. It's about 500 bucks there for this. I also bought a Purse 4 from eBay, and that came in from Russia within a week. And I will break that out too probably after. But here's the OTAL. Alright, let's get in here, and we got a helmet in here. It's just a bump helmet. It came with the kit. It's wrapped in plastic, I think. That's it. Oh, wait a minute. Let me just set this aside too. Do that. There's something in the bottom here. Hold on. Let me see. Something else. Helmet storage bag. Looks like. Raider helmet storage bag. Interesting. Put that aside. I haven't seen the night vision. I'm assuming it's in that. Is that it? Oh, more paper down here. I think that's it. Alright, let's put this aside. Get some of this trash out of the way. Alright. I guess while we're here, why don't we break out the helmet first? Well, I didn't want a green one, but they gave me a green one. I picked a black helmet, and they didn't give me a black helmet. They gave me a green helmet. Not happy about that. My uniform at work is black. Oh, and it came with the mount. My uniform at work is black, and I kind of wanted it to match my uniform. So we'll see. What is this? A fast helmet. That's what we got right here. Fast helmet. Here's the back of it. That's in focus or not. Hopefully it is. Got some more mounting stuff here. I'm not sure what all this is yet. Some kind of cloth thingy. And some kind of helmet mount thingy maybe? Is that in focus? Can't tell. I'm going to set that aside. Here's the helmet. Came with a weight on the back, a counterweight. That's the counterweight, goes right there. Seems heavy. It's got this little tightening button and I don't know, the padding inside. We'll see. And it came with the mount in the front, obviously for the night vision, and some cool little flags on the side. It's the mount. So this is a I think a Rhino 2 mount. Rhino 2 mount. There's the mount, the Rhino mount. Is it coming? Is it showing up? Right here. I don't know how to adjust it yet. I'm learning as we go. So we'll see what happens. There we go. Swings up. Alright, set that aside. Bag, helmet bag it said. Looks like a regular bag. Nothing too fancy. Kind of padded. With some fancy liner inside of it. Zip that up here. Raider hat, it says. Raider. Helmet bag. Alright. I'm assuming this is the night vision. Seems kind of light. Cut some of it off here. Everything is tied up in here. Here's the PVS right here with the serial number. See that serial number? It's on it right here. US night vision. We'll pull out the skull crusher first. Here's the skull crusher. I understand nobody really wears these things at all. They hurt your head a lot. So, skull crusher, put that aside. I think this is the J-arm. J-arm. Take that out. Some kind of connection thingy here. Not sure how it all works yet, but we'll figure it out as we go. Learning as we go here. Mess it up some more later. And here is the unit. I think there might be. Oh, here's some more stuff in the bag. This is interesting. Here is the data record for the for everything right here. I'll have to look that over. Here's the data record sheet. I guess when they do a test, they kind of go through it and note any kind of blemishes or technical details. I'm not sure. I'll have to do a little research on that. Here is another bag. Get all this out here. A couple lens covers. Like that. I'm not sure where they go yet. See, got a Toshiba battery, high quality, right there. Strap right there. What is this? Some kind of paper cleaning right here, just to wipe the lens down. And the operations manual, US Night Vision operations manual. So I'll read that. Alright, so let's do some of that. Alright, let's open up this night vision here. And here is the unit. Right here. Assuming no battery in it. No battery in it. Put that back on. See, it's a lot lighter than I thought. I just don't, I don't have anything to reference it again for 30 years, so it just seems super light. Cover, it's not any battery. I'll take the cover off it and I'll take a look real quick. There's the cover off of it. And then the eye cup back here. I said I haven't. There's the switches right there. Is that even in focus? I can't even tell. On, off. Looks like off, reset, on, IR, pull. Okay. Alright. Well, that's that. Oh, let me get the Untitled C open and we'll try that out. So the night vision kit with everything came to $3,200, and then they charged me 35 bucks for shipping. And then right after I bought that, I jumped back on the website and I'm like, you know what, I need to get an IR laser for my rifle. So I ended up finding this one, 500 bucks. It's just a laser. It's not a visible laser. It's just IR laser. So the only way you can zero this in is with your night vision on. So it does not have an illuminator or anything on it. It's just a laser. So crack this open. Tech manual right there. Untitled C. Oh wow, this thing is small. Some more foam. ITAR. You can't ship it out of the country, it looks like. They got a little card in here. But wow, look how small this thing is. Holy cow. Look how tiny. Look how tiny that is. Holy cow. There's the underside of it. In focus? I can't even tell. Looks like it's not in focus. Hopefully it'll get in focus. But yeah, just amazing how small this stuff is. But battery comes with a switch right here, and a little throw lever to put on your rifle. And I thought it would have a switch on top, but it does not have a switch on top. I don't know what this is. I'll have to read the instructions on this to make sure I got it all right, but nice clicks. Anyway, looks like you can only activate it with a remote switch too. You can't, there's no button on top that you can push. You have to use a remote switch. So we'll try it out, see what happens. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I'll give you guys an update after. See how it goes. Bye.